everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing my very first ever unboxing. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Zala tape extensions. Super excited. I got the 26-inch in sun-kissed highlights and I get them put in tomorrow. So let's check out the inside of the box. It's a cute little Velcro and it comes with some sampled shampoo and conditioner and Revive Me. And then the hair. I got 2 packagings of hair, and that's what I have in now is 2 packagings, but I believe these are the 24 inches. I also got the Zala Plex hair extension hydration mask. I believe you shampoo your hair and then you put it in for about 10 minutes and let it sit and then rinse it, and you just make sure you don't get it all up in the tabs so it doesn't mess up the sticky. And then I had to get some more of my tabs because my hairdresser, she does not do Zala hair extensions, so I have to supply my own tabs. And then I wrote down some pricings for you guys. So the whole thing came to $339.96, and I believe I had like a $15 birthday coupon. But if you buy them individually, it's $159.99 for the 26-inch length, $24.99 for the solution, and $19.99 for the tabs. So when I get them put in tomorrow, I'll show you guys how they look. Okay guys, I got them put in today. So it took about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I did get my color touched up, so that's why it took longer. Normally it would take about an hour, hour and a half when I go in to get them moved around. So far I'm loving them. I think they're a little long. I probably could just stick with the 24 inches. So yeah, here's what they look. I don't know if you guys can see, they go to about right here. So far I like them. I can't wait to try them in my ponytail look. I gotta wait a week because I have to wait for the tabs to settle. And so I really love Zala hair extensions. They don't really shed and I feel like they just hold up really good. So if I haven't answered any questions that you guys were wondering about Zala tape hair extensions, let me know and I can make another video about them. If you want to see like how I curl them or do my ponytail look, I could do a video about that also. And please don't forget to subscribe.